Alright guys, we're headed to the lake. I'm so excited, I could barely sleep last night. I got my fishing costume on. I just realized I had 3,200 KC's points, which is the equivalent of like $13 in real life. So I was able to get a Celsius and a bag of beef jerky. Yeah, I haven't been to this lake in like 2 years, and it was always one of those places where you could come anytime of year and just spank them. So I'm really hoping that's the case today. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We made it, boys. That's not the lake we're fishing, but that's a pretty lake. Alright guys, this is the spot. It's a bunch of lakes in this state park, but nobody fishes this one for some reason. And there's like around this point here, there's a weed line that the crappie love to hang out at. That's where I always catch them. So we're gonna get the kayak in the water and see what we can do. There's one. Already on, guys. Let's see what we got. Decent bass. It didn't take long at all. Not what we're looking for, but I'll take it. Forgot how frustrating kayak fishing can be. It can be awesome, but good God bless it. You're always either tangled in something or you're having to paddle or situate yourself. Christ on a crotch rock. If this is a continuation. My God. How does this even happen? So my second jig is basically tied a knot by itself around my main line here. I might have to cut this off. Alright guys, we're hooked up on the crankbait. Let's see what we got. I'm sure it's a bass. It actually feels pretty nice. That's a decent bass. Sweet. At least the bass are playing today. Got that going for us. I don't know what it is this year. I cannot make anything happen with the crappie for some reason. I'll take it. Another one. Let's see what this is. Another little bass. Where's all the crappies at? Bass love this little Guggen Squad crankbait, I know that. Got another one on the crankbait. We got another bass. That's a pretty decent one, actually. Trying not to get treble hooks in my fingers here. Dude, they're tearing this little crankbait up. Oh no. Well, now you've done it. Difference with this rod, this is a 6.6 ACC crappie sticks rod, and good God, man. Okay, I'm using 6-pound braid with a 4-pound fluorocarbon leader. I think that might be making the difference because this water is pretty clear. I don't know. Okay guys, well, fishing has not gone as good as I'd hoped. I keep having problems with this rod. I keep getting knots in it, and I think it needs to be restrung. But I'm just gonna put a little crappie, ball head crappie jig on this one, and I'm kind of towards the back end of the lake here. I think I'm gonna fish around back here and work my way back towards the truck. And there's another lake that I do pretty good here, in here, that if I don't figure anything out here, I'm gonna make a move. We'll put the kayak in the truck and we'll try that one. But I haven't caught anything since those bass. I've had some bites here and there, but really just that crankbait keeps getting snagged because this lake is so weedy. But like I said, we'll fish our way back towards the truck, and if we don't figure anything out, we'll move on. All right guys, we are hooked up on another bass. This time on the crappie jig. We can't say we got skunked. All right, we got the kayak packed up. We're gonna try a different lake. I was just joking about that lake anyways. It sucks. I've never caught a crappie there in my life. See, everybody thinks you need to go to these big lakes with the boat ramps at this place. But all the big crappies are actually in the smaller lakes where there is no boat ramps. That's why you need a kayak. Just realized I left my paddle at the other lake. Alright guys, this tree right here, stick up, is what we're going to try to fish. It's 25 feet deep here, so it usually holds crappie, so we'll see what happens. Just got a bite there. There's one. Yes. Yes. That's what we came here for, guys. Come on now. Nice little eater. I figured we'd figure something out here. It's a good looking fish right there, boy. I'm on the string here, see if we can't get another one. Need to hit the jig. There's another one. Awesome. It's about the same size. Nice. Well, pretty much the exact same size, actually. Probably only gonna keep 3 or 4 of these. Man, that's a lot of fun. All right, guys, well, it's 10 o'clock. It's freaking hot outside. Honestly, I probably could have stayed and grinded out those crappie a lot more. Probably ended up with like a whole limit, but just too hot. I don't know, we didn't get skunked, so we got that going for us. I actually did a lot better than I thought I would. I don't know, it was a pleasant surprise that those crappie were biting off that timber there. So, and I don't mind catching bass, it's just not what I target usually. But I don't know, we're gonna stop by Casey's on the way home and get some food, and then and some ice for these fish, and then I gotta go pick up my daughter. We'll see what she has to say about it. All right, Gia, you want to see Daddy's fish?
Okay. Wow.
Whoa, is that cool? I only caught 2, okay? You wish I caught more?
I want 2.
How many are in there?
Wow.
1, 2. You wish your daddy was a better fisherman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too.
Abby wants him.
Yeah, Abby sees them too. All right, say bye, Gia.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.